New fallout over the judge who issued a controversial ruling in the Stanford sexual assault case. Judge Aaron Persky was blocked from presiding over a new sexual assault hearing involving an unconscious woman. In a statement, the district attorney said, quote, "After the recent turn of events, we lack confidence that Judge Persky can fairly participate in this upcoming hearing."
Critics say that the judge's 6-month sentence of former Stanford swimmer Brock Turner was too light. John Blackstone is at the courthouse in Palo Alto, California, near the Stanford campus, with sharp new criticism of the judge. John, good morning.
Good morning. A local paper here published a letter from a juror who served on the Turner case under Judge Persky. In that letter, he says he was shocked and appalled by Turner's minimal sentence. The unnamed juror called Persky's sentence ridiculously lenient, saying it makes a mockery of the entire trial. Brock Turner's sentence, which could amount to as little as 3 months in county jail with good behavior, left one juror so angry he wrote to the judge. In a letter obtained by the Palo Alto Weekly, he writes, "You choose to disregard the jury's findings and believe the defendant's self-serving version of events." In a newly released sentencing document, Judge Persky pointed to Turner's age, lack of criminal history, intoxication, and character letters on his behalf as factors in his decision. He said a prison sentence would have a severe impact on him. But the juror fired back, "Isn't that the point? A sentence should have a severe impact on Mr. Turner." Retired Judge Ladoris Cordell presided over Santa Clara County Superior Court for almost 19 years. Have you ever seen a letter like this one?
I have not. They unanimously agreed that he had committed these acts. And the feeling of this juror was that the sentence did not reflect the verdict that they brought back.
On Friday, women's rights advocates calling for Persky's removal delivered nearly 1 million signatures to the State Commission on Judicial Performance. Vice President Biden, who wrote an open letter to the victim last week, again addressed the issue Tuesday.
If you cannot consent because you are unconscious, it is rape. It is rape, period.
When sentencing Turner, the judge said the media attention has not only impacted the victim, but also Mr. Turner. The evidence of his character up until the night of this incident has been positive.
When he said, all right, these are mitigating factors, these were basically code for white privilege. What about the person that isn't enrolled in a prestigious school, that doesn't have a stellar future looking ahead? Would the sentence be the same on the facts as they were in this case?
It's important to note that calls for Persky's removal are largely symbolic. The only people who can actually authorize a recall are registered voters here in Santa Clara County. The other option, impeachment, has not happened in California since 1929.
But it looks like this is not over, John. Thank you so much.